Namaste learners. In this video we are going to discuss about what's meant by talent development. I think every learner is enjoying the IPL season. In between, we should discuss about what's meant by talent development. Every person has his own talent. Sometimes it is hidden, sometimes it's shown. So no problem. It will help. Talent is a great asset for any company or organization. Talent is a great asset to any culture or any community or any country. If you develop the talent of any employee in an organization, definitely it gives a very good profit to the company. So why the talent development is needed? The talent development is needed to improve the organizational performance. So, is it difficult to define what is meant by talent development? No, it's not difficult, but it varies from country to country, culture to culture, and organization to organization. So definitely, a very good talent development strategies lead organizational performance, outcome, productivity. There is a requirement to encourage learning and development. This process is called as talent development. So it should be sustainable and effective and long term. The process of talent development needs a thorough planning and implementation. Without planning, you cannot achieve success. Without planning, you cannot develop. So a thorough planning, a thorough strategy, and its implementation is also very important. You plan, and if you not implement, it's a big blunder, big mistake. So thorough planning and thorough implementation is very much important while you plan for talent development. The different methods of talent development are mentoring, coaching, training, then giving lecture, conferences, and subscription to journals, reading the journals. So there are so many methods to improve talent in any organization. So preparing suitable strategies which are competence centered and suitable for specific employees gives a good outcome. See, here you should identify, so what are the competencies or strength of a particular employee, and you should boost that competency. Automatically it's a moral strength to the employees and he performs well. You should identify the strengths, competence, and you should develop that competence. So you should identify those strengths to develop. Definitely it will be a good asset if you develop the competency of a particular employee. He becomes a very good asset for your organization. Periodic and regular assessment of the development gives a benchmark of growth. So periodic assessment, periodic evaluation is needed. At every level, at every stage, you should make an evaluation, make an assessment. So periodic assessment and evaluation gives a benchmark of achievement. So it gives a comparison between one stage to another stage. So the difference is the development. Then team development is also very important. If you individually develop a person, automatically the team also develops. A very good team develops in your company. So reaching the goal will be easy when you focus on the competence of individual employee. Identifying the potential of the employees and providing an opportunity for growth is crucial in development, in talent development. See, potential of the employees, you should identify the managers or top level administration should identify the talent of any person, potential of the employees, and give opportunity to perform well. Don't discourage, you should encourage each and every employee through his potential. So it will give a very good growth to any employee. Identifying a specific competence and employee interest and re-energizing truly helps talent development. You should identify the interest of every employee, identify competence of every employee, and identify the talent of every employee and give an opportunity to him. So automatically your company will grow, your organization will grow, and the employee also satisfies with the opportunity given by the organization. Automatically it does well. So talent development helps in retention of employees, good employees. So focus on talent development and it helps your organization to grow. Thank you.